So a pattern interrupt gets all the kids' attention because I know you've been doing this. Ever do this one? Joey, 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 Joey. Anybody ever repeat a child's name over and over again?
Yeah.
What's that called? Doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result? Insanity. You're driving yourself insane. And here's another one. Remember how we talked about how from a young age we've been brainwashed into doing these things that don't make sense? How many of you have ever said to one of your kids, are you being a good listener or you're not being a good listener? Be honest, raise your hand. That's across the board. And how does that make sense? You're not being a good listener. I heard every word you just said. Are you listening to the words you just asked me? They're listening all the time. They're just choosing not to follow your directions. And things like that should be a flag as to why am I saying that? But we just sleepwalk through life.